How to fix Instagram bio link not working or not showing in less than 1 minute. So if you have any problem with the bio link on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot, so just keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do, guys, is you need to go to the Play Store and then go to the search bar and search for Instagram, and then make sure to update it to the latest version from here. After that, go back and go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps, and then go to apps. It will take you to this page. All what you have to do here is just scroll down until you find Instagram like this, and then click here on the force stop option and go to the data usage and make sure that all the options of the network access are enabled. And that's it, guys. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.